everyone, if you've been looking for an easy rice noodle recipe, this is definitely the one for you to try at home. Let's see how it's done. You will need 1 pack of rice noodles, 200 grams of prawns, 7 leaves of Chinese cabbage, 2 spring onions, and 1 medium-sized onion. 1 teaspoon of Maggi liquid seasoning, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of syrup, half a teaspoon of pepper, 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and half a teaspoon of salt. The noodle must first be soaked in warm water for 30 minutes, then drained before adding hot water to it. Mix well, then rinse the noodles with cold water and drain. Now add the sesame oil to the noodles, give it a good mix, then set aside. For the sauce, add together the ketchup, soy sauce, liquid seasoning, salt, pepper, and the syrup. Give it a good mix, then set it aside. You must cut the back of the prawns for a better taste. Heat up 1 tablespoon of oil, then add the onions, followed by the sugar. When the onions is nearly brown, add the prawns. Stir fry for 1 minute, then remove the prawns to be set aside. Now heat up 2 tablespoons of oil, then start by frying the Chinese cabbage. Followed by the noodles. Toast well for about 2 minutes. If your noodle is dry, then add a little bit of water. Give it a good toss, then add the sauce and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. Now add the prawns. Give it a good toss for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the spring onions. Then the black peppers. And your noodle is ready. You can add the chili sauce for a spicy taste. I hope you enjoy my video. See you soon!